Hey everybody, welcome to week 13. Let's find out what's happening this week. So hopefully you have already printed out your course schedule. You can see that I only have things on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday this week for you to do. So that can be stretched out however you would like it over the week. So let's see what's up for Monday. Monday, we begin our new unit of reading the invisible. So you will have your time to reply to your group. This should be routine by now, where you go in and you reply to everybody in your group, furthering the conversation in your discussion board. And then you will have a voice thread on introducing you to the concept of inference. Make sure that you have your reading notebook with you when you go through that voice thread. You will need it because I will be asking you to do things as we go through that voice thread. On Tuesday, you are going to read your last study reading in the textbook for chapter 7. You will also have your practice quizzes, which are, I believe, review tests 2 and 3 in chapter 7 as well. Those are all set for you and you know how to do that. That should be pretty easy. Attend class and we will do our discussion of assignment number 3, and assignment number 4 will open at 8 o'clock on Tuesday night after we're done discussing assignment number 3. So you'll be doing your 4th chunk of the Absolutely True Diary of a Part-Time Indian. Then on Wednesday, you have a draft reading of Salvador Leighton Early, and you will be reading that with me through the video. So there's a video, and you should not read the article or it's a little essay actually. You should not read that essay before you watch the video. You should have it handy. If you can print it, that would be great. It's just one page, so if you could get that printed, that would be the best use of this time, is to have that printed out and to find some post-it notes, and so you can do the draft reading right along with me as I go through this essay. Again, draft reading is when you really slow everything down and you are revising your thinking as you go. So I hope that you can print, because I think that would really be the most helpful for this assignment. And that's all for this week. And then, boy, we are winding down the semester pretty quickly, it feels like. So I hope you guys have a really lovely week, and I will look forward to seeing you in class on Tuesday. And if you have any questions, you know where my email is, so you can just email me. And I hope you have a lovely, lovely week 13.